Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Allahumma salli ala Muhammadin wa ali Muhammad wa ajjal farajahum. Salāmun ʿalaykum, my darling angels. Thanks for being with me again. I'm Zainab. Do you guys remember we were talking about how the month of Dhul Ḥijjah is filled with wonderful events and lots of celebratory occasions? And one of those important and awesome events is the Hajj Pilgrimage. Well, today I thought we'd talk more about that. We talk about its importance, we talk about why we have to do it, what do we do when we go to Hajj, and we'll do some fun arts and crafts while we talk about all those amazing things. So, there's a story. Prophet Ibrahim alayhi salam was very loved by Allah, and one day he had a dream, and in his dream he was told to sacrifice his son, Prophet Ismail. He woke up and he was thinking to himself, and then a few days passed and he had that dream again and then again 3 times. So it became clear to him that Allah wants him to sacrifice his son, Prophet Ismail. And Prophet Ibrahim thought to himself, yes, I will do whatever Allah asks me to do. And he made his intention absolutely pure and clean. And he decided to take action. And just as he was about to do it, Allah stopped him. You know why? Because Allah knew. Allah knew that Prophet Ibrahim would do anything for him and that his intention was absolutely pure. And basically, that's what we gotta do when we go to Hajj. What am I talking about? Well, come closer. Why don't you take a look at this fun arts and crafts that I prepared for you. Like always, you can ask mommy or daddy to print it out for you and we can have lots of fun. Basically, there are 2 circles. On one circle, we have all the stages of Hajj. And on another circle that we're going to cut out and make space here, like a pie, we can spin it around and we can show each other what stage of Hajj we're at. Wouldn't that be fun? First, of course, my favorite part is coloring. What should I color my bubble? The first stage is to have pure intentions. And that is the first stage of everything, really. The Ahlul Bayt alayhim salam have taught us that if we have pure intentions and if we trust in God and we think to ourselves, I am doing this good thing only for the sake of Allah, not to show off, and Allah will be very happy with us and He'll give us lots and lots of rewards. What's the second stage? Repentance. What does repentance mean? It means sometimes we make a mistake. That's okay, nobody's perfect. But then we say, I'm so sorry, Allah. I promise not to do it again. And since Allah loves us so much, He'll forgive us right away and He will help us do better things and be better people. Right? So the second stage of Hajj is repentance. To say, I'm sorry, Allah. I didn't mean to. Would you please forgive me? What's the third stage of Hajj, you guys? What do you think it is? Well, the third stage of Hajj is detachment from what is not godly. What does that mean, Zainab? It means that sometimes our minds are all over the place. We're thinking about school, homework, video games, cartoons, breakfast, friends, cousins, toys, cars, dolls, pets. But what Allah wants, especially when we go to Hajj, is for us to only think of Him. Because He loves us so much, and this is our special time with God. Isn't that wonderful? to have a special time with Allah, to bond with Him, to spend time with Him. I think that's wonderful, the fact that Allah loves us so much. I think I'm gonna color my path green. What do you think? Alrighty. And then, once we've done all of that, we have pure intentions, we said sorry to God, and we emptied our mind from everything else, the Hajj begins. And that's where all the fun adventures start. There's so many things that we can do in Hajj. Do you know anyone in your family who's ever been to Hajj? Right. So we finished coloring our steps, and then we cut out our pie. It kind of looks like Pac-Man, doesn't it? And what we're gonna do here is place these two circles on top of each other, and we're gonna use a thumbnail. Yeah, you guys gotta be super careful with this because it's pretty dangerous. Make sure you get an older person to help you. We'll put an eraser underneath like that. And we'll place our thumbnail right boop, here. And then we can turn this around. Stage 1, pure intention. Stage 2, repentance. Stage 3, detachment from what is not godly. And then the fun adventures of the Hajj rituals begin. Well, that's all the time we have for today, my angel darlings. Thank you for being with me. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.